Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 10th, 2025, and we're diving into Photronics' latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of fiscal 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Photronics, a leader in photomask technologies, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strong performance in the U.S. market and strategic investments in Korea.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Photronics reported a fourth quarter revenue of $215.8 million, which is a 3.1% decrease year over year. However, they managed to beat the EPS forecast. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. Despite the slight dip in revenue, Photronics delivered an adjusted EPS of 60, surpassing the forecast of 47. This was driven by strong operational efficiencies and a favorable tax impact. For the full year, revenue was $849.3 million, down 2% from last year, but they achieved a GAAP EPS of $2.28, reflecting solid profitability.
Segment performance and strategic investments. John, let's talk about the segment performance. How did Photronics' IC and FPD segments fare this quarter?
The IC segment generated $157.4 million, down 4% year over year, but up 7% sequentially, indicating a recovery trend. The FPD segment saw a slight decline of 1% year over year. Importantly, Photronics is expanding its capabilities in Korea, which is expected to diversify their revenue and enhance their exposure to advanced chip designs.
And what about their performance in the U.S. market?
The U.S. market showed particular strength, validating their investment plans. This strong performance is crucial as it supports their strategic initiatives and positions them well for future growth.
Cash flow and financial position. Let's shift our focus to cash flow and financial health. How is Photronics managing its cash and investments?
Photronics generated $87.8 million in operating cash flow during the fourth quarter, which is a strong indicator of their financial health. They invested $67.5 million in capital expenditures, focusing on organic growth. Their cash reserves stand at $588.2 million, providing a solid buffer for future investments and debt reduction.
It seems like they are in a good position to support their strategic initiatives.
Indeed, their financial discipline and strategic investments are setting a strong foundation for sustainable growth.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Photronics provided for the first quarter of fiscal 2026?
Photronics expects revenue to be between $217 million and $225 million, with an adjusted EPS ranging from 51 to 0.59 cents. They are optimistic about customer forecasts, particularly in the U.S., and are strategically focusing on expanding their capabilities in Korea to capture more market share in advanced chip designs.
It sounds like they have a clear path forward.
Yes, their strategic focus and positive customer outlooks are promising for the upcoming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Photronics has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter with a notable beat on EPS expectations. Their strategic investments and strong U.S. market performance are key highlights. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Photronics is well positioned for future growth, and it will be interesting to see how their strategic initiatives unfold.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Photronics' performance in the comments below.